I wasn't sure if that was co-driver isolate or because it's in the same spot, but yeah, it looks like it's a Bluetooth. That's where Gloria Estefan comes in. Ooh, I want to press these buttons. What kind of music do you want? Maybe a little bit of everything, something that's peppy, but be careful, because if I start singing in your ear, I'll just turn it down. That's going to be terrible at singing. Medium right, for sure. Good job. Is this our corner? Our Bobcat corner? Yeah, it is. He lives right here. That's the new name of this intersection. Bobcat corner. Ooh, little Christina. Your favorite corner. Woohoo! Hey, look, we're going the right way. Whee! There's our shoe. Next up, stroller. God, this is so fun. So fun. Dude, when the car comes to a full stop and that rumble, like, gets me every time. I'm obsessed. Especially when you're outside the car and you can just hear her purr, like, so you're good. Like, yay! So good. Easy left. Easy right. Stay straight, clear. Thank you. More. Yeah, there you go. We're flipped into the left. And then we go left. The left, right there. Okay, yeah, there's our box. I know that. I was like, there's the wash. What an easy fix, girl. You can't see it.
Matches and the buds and the clean and dirty cars.
Stop this a little to the left. There you go. Careful. Caution. 51. Right. I'll live underground. Hey. The more time we spend in the car, the more excited I am for this trip. Here. I thought, we're safe. I do not feel safe. A little slight left here. Really good driving today, Lindsay. Thank you. I feel more confident about being like a little more aggressive with it. I see it and I'm here for it. Yes. I want us to like get out there and like dominate and have a good time. A road crossing.
It isn't enough. I saw the sign.
Ready? Ready when you are.
I saw the sign. Life is demanding.
Stay to the right.
Without understanding. I saw the sign.
Feels weird. Easy left. Medium right. Oh, stay to left. Yeah, perfect. Center right. Like. Rock. I don't like the way that spits you out into that rock. I agree. Easy left. Here, kitty. Bobcat Boulevard. Easy left. Whooping. Bobcat drive by. Oh, I want to see him or her. Allie. Watch that big rock to your left. And then a sharp right. Then we're gonna do a sharp left. 197. Okay. Okay, slow down. Sharp right. My baby. Your baby girl. Let's go. Oh no. That's Dave. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's what my fear is. Oh my god. Sorry. It's okay. I'm scared. Great. the jump? This one here, it's coming. This one. It feels good to go fast. Just like a steep right here. Right. Nice and smooth. All right, start slowing down. You've got your sharp left ahead. Poor Jesus has to listen to all this. Listening to us? Yeah. It's okay. He's gonna have to listen to this to make a video later. You what? You know what I did there? What? I was looking to my left to make sure it was clear instead of looking at the freaking road. Oh, sorry. I should have called. No, it's okay, but that's what I was doing because you were watching right and I was looking at left. It's so easy to, get distracted by one thing. Oh, my God. Have an easy left around this little bend. Clear.